Inspekta Munene wa Volisi Douglas Kanja Niwavithua Kana Albert Ojwang Aneethiiwe Atekwiyiwa Kiseseni cha Volisi cha Central Musyini wa Ilovi Mbee wa Kutwawa Sivitalini wa Mbagathi Kukwata Uiiti Vala Itina Unaikiithiwe Kutiwa ni Thayu Nthini wa Kilingiisi cha Kikwu Kanja Niwaweta Maovisaa ma Volisi Manai Wiani Muthenya wa Kikwu cha Ojwang ni maungamiwe wia Kana ukunikili Kutwawa ate ndongoi mbingi kuma ngalikoni kivavukanio sya kiuteti ni syaendeea kuumania kikoki cha Wiani itula muti Volisi vamwe na serikali kwa kuendesha siko sya puwa amuika alamionekana mailiana na utongoi wa serikali ya OU vamwe na uthukomi wayo Benjamin Mwaka mkuelesya.
Muvea wa Volisi Niwaweta nutwaisi ukunikili hukonya Kikwu cha Albert Ojwang ulona atiiwe ni Thayu mokoni ma Maovisaa ma Volisi Itina kuikwambia ni kuyaho Mbee wa katano muthenya na kuwetwe imwe ngina Ilovi ni Maovisaa maisalu DCI na Itina kusiwa Kiseseni cha Volisi cha Central Police Station IG Douglas Kanja weta Maovisaa ma Volisi Manai Kiseseni ki vinda na Kikwu cha Albert ni maungamiwe wia nokana ukunikiliwe na withiani Kutwawa
to ensure a thorough, impartial and expeditious investigations by the Independent Policing Oversight Authority, I ordered the interdiction of the following officers with immediate effects. Number one is the officer commanding the station, that is the Central Police Station OCS, the duty officer who was on duty during the night in question, the cell sentry on duty at the time, all officers who were on duty at the report office that night, and any other officer found to have been on duty or otherwise involved during the incident.
Albert Ojwang Aneethiiwe Mbee yuko na nyona kuandika utumani wa kumvuthia mudini wa Inspekta Munene wa Volisi DIG Eliud Lagat mutandaoni umwa mikumukanelie na kuuli voti ya uthinzi wa mwi nokana kuikithia uwe wa Kikwu cha Albert Ojwang wetelo kwikwa IG Kanja na ungami wa Volisi weta niumbanije kunenga na aki kwa mwisho wa mututia kwa kwika ukunikiliwe na withianu.
The reasons as to why the late Ojwang was arrested together with a few others is because there was a complaint that had been launched by the DIG KPS about his name being tarnished. So it is on that basis that investigations were actually being carried out, because he also have got a right to be protected by the same law.
I watched the Ojwang on TV crying. Any parent will feel the same pain when you have lost your son. I want to assure him and members of the public that IPOA will do everything possible to ensure that justice is served for the family and to Kenyans. And we're very happy that the IG has already interdicted all the officers who are in this station at the material time.
Ilunuga vondongwe kathukanyo sya kiuteti mulengoni wa ODM itongwewe ni ayumbe kuma ngomene ya kiuteti ya Nyanza inena kwi umunthi ni syalumilelia ni lazima uwo manikane na President William Ruto ailikilela kutengwa mauvaluku ama usesei alamaende kwiyumilia ndongo isi itongwewe ni munini wa mukuni wa Mutalisa ngalikoni alani ni mbunge nene muimbo wa Suba Ethio Mwandu Mili Odhiambo.
You wonder, why was it necessary to transport this young man all the way from Mbee to here? Are there no police stations there where he could be kept? Are there no investigation officers who could take up the matter? Are there no courts in that area where all this matter could be handled? We really condemn this. This should not go on. Something must be done.
You wake up in the morning and you are told that your son has died. Why? Because some idiot cannot stand an alternative view. For me, it's not even about the fact that he has died. Who gave the order for that young man to be brought to be arrested? For what? If you can't stand somebody, block. We don't want to hear nonsensical theories. If somebody is dead under your watch, you know who was in charge, who was there. And interdictions are not enough. Arrest and charge.
Kuma vamos Ilovi, dilipoti ya vilingwa Mavonye, Nito Benjamin Mwakam.